today's video we see that how to calculate weight of iron core. ओके, कैसे हम लोग वेट को कैलकुलेट करते हैं ऑफ आयरन कोर का. ओके, in the previous video we also see that the turn per volt of a transformer. Okay, in this video we calculate how to calculate iron core weight. Okay, so basically first of all draw the iron core. Suppose this picture is not properly drawn by me, but for understanding it's okay. Okay, this one is what? This is the window. Okay, suppose this is the a core of a transformer. Okay, this is a core of a transformer. And which type of core we also use? Core number 7. In the previous video you also see that we taking the value from the core number 7 data sheet. Okay, so this is the core number 7. Suppose I take this height is 5 inch. Okay, this height is how much? This is the 5 inch. Okay, and this window height is how much? This is the 1 inch. In the previous video you also see that this is the 1 inch, and this height is how much? This height is 3 inch. Okay, 3 inch. This height is 3 inch and this height is 1 inch. Okay, and suppose this one is how much? This is the 6 inch. Okay, and this is the column 7. And here we see that also two windows are present in a transformer. If we design a cell type, then two winding are present, because here also and here also the winding is present here. Okay, the winding is present here, so there are also two winding. So we calculate the weight of iron core. So first of all we calculate the area of sheet. Where is the sheet are located? एरिया ऑफ सीट को हम पहले कैलकुलेट करेंगे. एरिया ऑफ सीट मीन्स दिस हाइट. ओके, दिस हाइट इंटू एरिया ऑफ सीट. दैट्स मीन ये जो टोटल सीट है आयरन कोर का, एक एक पतला पतला जो सीट है उसका एरिया कितना है, और ट्रांसफार्मर का एरिया इज हाउ मच. एरिया ऑफ सीट मीन्स दिस हाइट एंड दिस लेंथ. ओके, सो H into A or 5 into 6, so 30 inch square, because inch into inch square. Area of sheet, we also get the value of area of sheet. Next, windows area. Windows area means this area, this is the window, so windows area is how much? This height into this length, we can get the area. Okay, so विंडोज एरिया इज हाउ मच? हाइट इंटू लेंथ. विंडोज का हाइट कितना? दिस इज द 3 एंड लेंथ इज 1 इंच. ओके, सो दिस इज द 3 इंच स्क्वायर. एंड वी ऑल्सो सी दैट देयर आर टू विंडोज आर प्रेजेंट. ओके, इन दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मर. सो बेसिकली टोटल विंडोज एरिया इज हाउ मच? टोटल विंडो एरिया इज हाउ मच? 3 इंटू 2. 2 windows area, so 6 inches square. Okay, next we also calculate the remaining sheet area. This is the total sheet area is how much? 30 inches square. And remaining sheet area means if we subtract the windows area, this windows area, if we subtract from this total sheet area, then we also get the remaining sheet area. Okay, so remaining sheet area equal to, we can write area of sheet minus total windows area. Area of sheet is how much? 30 inch square. Okay, 30 inch, 30 inch, and total sheet area is 3 into 6 inch. Okay, so 30 minus is 24 इंच. नेक्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट करेंगे टोटल वेट ऑफ आयरन कोर. इस रिमेनिंग सीट का वेट इज द टोटल वेट ऑफ आयरन कोर. अगर कॉल इस विंडोज को छोड़ दिया जाए तो इस टोटल वेट इज द वेट ऑफ आयरन कोर. ओके, सो टोटल वेट ऑफ आयरन कोर is how much? This is the easy formula. Remaining area of sheet, that's in this 24 inch remaining sheet, and to stack into iron density. आयरन का डेंसिटी भी हमको चाहिए क्योंकि उसका वेट पर सेंटीमीटर में कितना है वो हमको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. आयरन डेंसिटी. ओके, आयरन डेंसिटी का पावर इज क्यू. ओके, so remaining area of sheet, that is 24 inch, and stack. What is the stack? Stacks mean this length. Okay, we also get the this length value and this length, not this length. This length is called stack. Okay, this length is called stack. You can take your desired value of stack. Okay, you can take it 2 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 3.5, any value of your desirable value you can use it for 1D. So remaining area of sheet is how much? 24 into stack is, suppose this stack is 2 inch. Okay, and iron density is how much? This is the 0.125. so if you calculate it, the value is 6 kg. Okay, this is a 6 kg of weight of this complete core. Okay, 6 kg. अगर हम एरिया ऑफ सीट को अलग से ले जाएंगे, सिमिलरली इफ स्टैक इज 3.5, देन व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ आयरन कोर? 24 into 3.5 into iron density. This value is the iron core. Okay, thank you.